All right, we now move on to Ielts speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a special cake you received from others. Special cake you received, second form, past tense. So from others, it can be friend, relatives, family, and all that. Okay, please start.
Okay. Last year on my birthday, I received a special cake
I
from my
received.
I received a special cake from my teammates in the office cafeteria. They arranged a special birthday party for me, and it was a chocolate cake from a Lay's bakery. And the thing which made it more special was the effort behind the arranging all the occasion for my birthday party. First of all, before having the cake, we just had some pictures and made some short videos, and after that, we just had the cake and the rest of the things, cold drink, etc. And after that, we start moving towards our home.
All right, 39 seconds. You have to speak for minimum 1 minute and maximum 2 minutes. Carry on.
Okay, again, I have to
Yeah,
say
it's just go on from there. The cake was so delicious,
the
and
cake
I
was
just, yeah,
so
yeah, yeah.
delicious, and we enjoyed a lot. And we made some special videos for that occasion and share it on our WhatsApp statuses and in the team groups as well. And we just had a team photographs for that occasion
Okay,
as well.
so just try to speak for minimum 1 minute. In actual exam, allow the examiner to stop you.
Okay.
You just go on and on and on and on and make some notes so that comfortably you can read first point, second point, third point. Now, we move on to speaking part 3. What are the differences between special food made in your country and other countries?
Okay. Uh, there's a lot of difference between our food and the one which made in the foreign countries like Europe. In Pakistan, we have the food which contains a lot of oil and spices, etc. But in if we look at the Europe side, they do not use that much spices, which it makes a lot of difference between our food and the one for the foreign
Okay,
countries.
speak actively and energetically. I understand you're tired, but you should speak actively. Do you think it is good to communicate when eating with your family?
Yes, I think it's good to communicate with the family when we are having the dinner or having something, because at that time we are much free and we can easily share our ideas and we can communicate more easily.
Okay, so just speak more and express yourself with confidence and take interest in your speaking. Okay, thank you.